Alright, just got a nice little gift in the mail from Salty Shellback. Let's open it up and see if we can figure out what it is. Looks like it has a combination, the safe combination. So it must be some kind of safe, nicely packed. Plenty of padding. Oh, and here, this is the okay, so this is a Sparrows practice safe. And I do like practicing on safes. I'm not real good at it, but this is a Sparrows practice safe, like I said. You see right there it says Sparrows. And I love a good challenge. So this should give me several hours of work to do to improve my safe cracking, lock picking. And I do have some of my helping tools. This is a 120 grit sandpaper sponge. Not too good with the gloves on, but I'm going to need that. And I also have a good stethoscope. This good safe cracker always needs a stethoscope. So that is really nice looking challenge. It's a challenge box. It's not a real safe. It's got a plastic outside, but the inside is supposed to be really good. So that's going to be a lot of fun. And I'm going to give special thanks to Salty Shellback for this really nice gift, which deserves a lot of cowbell. Knuckle bump.